That's Gucci. That was Gucci. Yo, oh, peace, man. Yeah, y'all know how we do it. We pull it up. So we pulling it up.
Click on the after hours, Shamar put this shit together.
Real good bottles. So we got everything. Got all the shits. My nigga Grip getting love. You know how we do it. How we bop it.
I'm saying right now, them niggas at. Where the fuck the cops at? Where my niggas
Bad, but like I couldn't do it. I don't know why they wouldn't let me. I was already in Cooley.
My mom moved us here. My mom the goat nigga. She made sure we got from off of Grand River. It's a fuck. We was staying in the shack, nigga, a real house shack.
Oh yeah, they said it was
there, nigga. Oak Park, nigga. We never left, nigga. My mom moved here 5 times wherever we ain't had shit. Everybody here got like moms and dads, bro. It's like a family like time, bro. That shit real.
That's hard. That's hard.
Everybody here, dude. Ain't nobody here fucked up. I don't think.
Yeah, that's right.
It's straight.
That's right.
Everybody bring their own bottles. Everybody got money. Everybody works.
See, they got the fish fry shit over here.
Hell yeah, they do this every year. My baby Shamar do this every year. Give me one. Give me some. They do this every year, my shit.
Yeah. So you got the propane.
He's my brother. No, man, it's my baby. Smoothest, humblest nigga ever gonna meet. Nigga, Tory Lanez type of nigga, smooth nigga, man, cool nigga, man.
Hey, look, the nigga put the hustle in me at a young age.
Yes, sir.
He came with it.
Young age.
Never
Nigga put the hustle in me at a young age. They like, nigga, we about to get this money, nigga. He like, fuck all that. We get this money.
I already know about Grip, man. He been with me. That's why I'm here now. You know what I'm saying?
That nigga been a hustler forever, bro.
Yeah, forever.
We sold candy, bro. I don't want to brag about it.
Yeah, he said that all day, yeah.
He took everybody on to that shit. We
Niggas, about 100 people sold candy on that bus to go on their own days, routes. Oh, man, this shit taking us to
shit we need.
This is Rochester Hills.
We was out there. Hey, look, leaving middle school. We was leaving middle school. We was leaving middle school.
Money in middle school.
All day long. Just gone. Hey,
remember I sold 80 boxes that day.
You say 80 boxes. He say he ain't playing.
Hey, this nigga had us. This nigga had us out till 10 o'clock like right now.
That's the legend. It's the legend.
And we didn't get
legend of Grip, man.
Nigga was getting in trouble that day, remember? Yo, mama, the twins' mama was tripping.
She was looking for
the twins' mama was tripping. Like, where the fuck is my kids at? The twins' mama wasn't having that shit. Like, fuck that candy shit. I remember